Welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see the last year's MBBS state quota cutoff for general category in Madhya Pradesh State government colleges. After opening the app, you have to select the cutoff menu on the home screen. After selecting that, you have to select state quota option. When you select it, a list of colleges will be displayed. You can also use the filter option which is present below the screen to show only government colleges or private colleges. After selecting that, we can choose any of the names to know the cutoff details. In this video, I'm selecting Shahdol Government Medical College. Here you can see the general category cutoff including score cutoff, All India rank cutoff, as well as state rank cutoff. If you belong to a particular category reservation, you can also see them also with community rank cutoff too. Here SQ stands for state quota. GN stands for general category. And the number to denotes round 2. For general category the last year NEET score cutoff was 551. So this year, if your NEET score is above 550, you may have a chance of getting a government seat in government college itself. If you have not installed MBBS Council app, you can install from Play Store by clicking the link in the description below. See you in another video.